The matter is going to start in 5 seconds. Start. Stampede at Mahakumbh 2025. A tragic reminder of crowd control challenges on January 29, 2025. A tragic stampede occurred during the Mahakumbh Mela at Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. The stampede took place during the early hours of Mauni Amavasya, one of the most significant and crowded bathing days of the event. This unfortunate incident resulted in the loss of at least 37 lives and left over 60 injured, marking yet another dark chapter in the history of large-scale religious escape, the rush only to find themselves trapped in a deadly crush. According to several eyewitness accounts, the crowd was moving in two opposite directions, creating a bottleneck on the narrow Aksharamarg. Pilgrims returning from the holy dip collided with those attempting to reach the river, triggering panic. The breakdown of crowd control measures at this critical point proved fatal. Despite the presence of police and security forces, the surge of the crowd overwhelmed the arrangements. Government authorities were quick to respond after the news broke out. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath expressed deep sorrow over the loss of lives and immediately announced an ex gratia compensation of rupees 25 lakh for the families of the deceased and rupees 5 lakh for the seriously injured. He also ordered a high-level judicial inquiry to investigate the cause of the incident and ensure accountability. A special three-member committee was formed headed by retired Justice Harsh Kumar, with former DGP V.K. Gupta and senior IAS officer D.K. Singh as members. This was not an isolated incident. A second, smaller stampede occurred later that same day in the Jhansi sector, about 2 kilometers away from the original site. 7 more people lost their lives in this subsequent chaos. The pattern of these incidents clearly indicated deep-rooted issues in the management of crowd flow and safety protocols. The scale of the Mahakumbh Mela in 2025 was unprecedented, with over 400 million devotees expected to participate over the course of the event. While the administration had deployed thousands of personnel and set up numerous control points, experts argue that the measures taken were not sufficient for an event of such magnitude. Drones, CCTV cameras, and digital surveillance were in place, but the implementation of evacuation and crowd dispersal protocols was found lacking. Many have drawn comparisons between this stampede and previous Kumbh-related tragedies, such as the 2013 incident at the Allahabad railway station took place. Full stop.